Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Abundance and the Power Within. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. The 11th of December 2020. For more than 3 decades we emphasized abundance at 3D as attainable as you are an expression of source sustained by energies and powers within yourself. This time around, you have access to your powers within where others unawakened failed. That leads us to the deep meaning of abundance. Know that the divine mind is within you, and the light within is infinite, and with this knowledge, abundance should not be correlated with money and material things. With truth learned and understood, we can no longer be brainwashed by the cabal darkness now apparent that they are drawn away from our illusionary third-fourth dimensional world by powerful high and intense vibrational energies coming our way from the higher realm through our solar portal. The time has come for our recognition that we are perfect and beautiful in spirit, in solitude and silence. Go create with the Creator and make your intentions reality, providing stability in life. That again is abundance from your power within. We are now shifting to our intuitive moments, and our feelings and emotions are stronger than our intellect, as we learn to think from the heart. No one can take away your innate creation power, as it is within yourself. At this juncture, we understand the dialectical nature of Source, a continuing change and expansion of the universe, and that is what abundance and creation is all about. Free will prevails, and can never be broken by anyone, even from the shadows of dream state where the dark lurks. Never agree or give it away to fortune cookies, witches, darkness, and fortune tellers, other false entertainment concerns. Otherwise your life will be as helpless, relying on unreliable predictions and forecasts who make money out of people's ignorance. Remember that we as a collective humanity create and make our world. The more individual consciousness are added to the human collective, the faster we can create the new earth that we aspire for. We are consciousness, in energy and light form, the creators of our reality. Awareness and awakening make you realize the truth of who you really are. The major waves of intense energies of awakening are coming. We always believed in a politician or government as savior, together with the teachings of the religious people, unknowing you are the savior of yourself, the creator of your experience. Never give away your innate power of creation to deceivers out to control you. As a child, we dream we can be successful professionals, business leaders, inventors, or providers of joy and happiness. The truth we learned is happiness is being compassionate and kind, a reflection of your love for self. All these plans and dreams are attainable if you surrender and open up everything to all that is, to the Creator. All of the higher realm beings are one with us. All the energies we summon, we receive through timing and transference are different. Abundance flows as we fully align with the divine mind. Ask the divine to open up our eyes to the hidden riches of earth. A tiny oak seed grows to a towering tree slowly but sure. At the Pacific Arnara tree, genus Pterocarpus, and neem trees, slowly but surely grow, as I plant and see them grow for 30 years at our park. Oxygen, wood, and herbal medicine. For homes sustain humanity, our symbiotic relationship with nature. Our times, we created, focused, and these experiences provided us little joys one at a time. Our creations come true as we planned and created them that way. Accelerate your desire to return to higher vibration. Assist Mother Earth and humanity raise consciousness to a higher vibrational state. Think service, be positive, kind, and compassionate, and do things that make you live a life of joy. Joy and abundance are sisters, never material things, spiritual in form, as they are all within you. You are the power that create them. Focus, meditate, and start to harmonize with truth and the values that will raise your vibration. You are the creator of your thoughts, your dreams, as you manifest them in this illusionary world, and that is how the universe works, source, changing, and expanding. The abundance within creates external abundance, and that is the flowing energy within sustains our well-being in the physical realm. Radiate a beautiful light within you, and create beautiful things for our world. Accept fully all the energies bequeathed by Source, messengers of light, and the higher vibrational beings we invited to our lives, and receive their light and energies flowing profusely to humanity. These simple things are what abundance is all about. Light and love from Angel V. Ornedo Jr.